back. I know you saw the thumbnail. Let's get into it. My hair has seen better days. I feel like there's a lot of reasons why my hair feels and looks the way it does right now. I will honestly say for the past couple of, I won't even say a couple of weeks. I feel like since like January, I have not like had a single time where I did my hair. I'm like, oh, this looks so good. And I have seen you guys' comments talking about like, do you think your hair is breaking off? Do you think your edges are thinning? I've answered a few questions and I'm just gonna lay it out in this video. So when you flat iron and style your hair and also relax it as frequently as I do, you're going to get damage. I had a video that was similar to this last year. And I feel like it's around this time, like March or so, after I've been wearing my hair out and relaxed since, well, this year was October, but usually it's like mid-September or so. Doing this to my hair weekly, like it's gonna sustain some, you know, little bumps and bruises since then. The other thing that I think is also factoring in here is I've been using a lot of products lately. I've been using a lot of different products. I'm so thankful to the brands that reach out to me and send me PR. I think one thing that I am going to start doing next year is being a little bit more selective with my PR. I think I also have to be a little bit more selective with like the campaigns and things I do, because this year was the first year where it was just like I have like a steady flow of campaigns that are just like going. And before it would be like I would have a campaign here, maybe a campaign in another month or two. But it's not like that anymore, which like I'm thankful for that, but I need to like get into a regimen or a system or something that like is not going to be detrimental to my hair, because I want to keep the hair on my head. I've seen you guys' comments. I don't think that I show as much concern about it as you guys do, because I know it's gonna grow back. Like I've rehabbed my hair over and over again. I see what you guys are saying. I actually don't really think my edges are that much of a problem. Y'all trying to say I ain't got no edges? I don't think they're a problem, to be honest with you. I've told this story here before on my YouTube. I think it was a story time of the time that somebody snatched my edges in college with a sew-in. So they've always since then been thinner right here, like always been thinner right here. The other thing that I'm noticing too is that if I part my hair, so I'm used to having like shorter hairs like around the hairline, like I feel like most people have that. But when I part my hair like just randomly like this, I'm seeing short hair. Okay, well, not right there. Maybe it was something somewhere else. Anyways, when I part my hair and I was doing my hair, I was noticing shorter hairs like here, like deep into my hair, like away from my hairline, which is a sign of breakage. I do think I'm going to trim my ends today. I'll let you guys watch while I do that. And you guys always get so mad, but I'm only gonna cut off as much as I feel comfortable with. But I do think today I'm gonna cut off a little bit more. On that note, a couple things that I'm gonna be doing to like get my hair back to its healthiest state. And again, I'm not talking about length. Like length is great, but you can have short broken off hair, you know, you can have short unhealthy hair. I'm trying to get my hair, no matter what length it is, like just back to a better state. One, I'm gonna clip my ends, so I'm clipping them today. I also too am cutting back on how many different products I'm using. So I've kind of implemented a system for myself now where if I am washing my hair with a whole new routine one wash day, the next wash day needs to be products that I have tried and used before. Going forward and into like next silk press season, like starting next fall, you're gonna see a better mix of like me using new products versus me using products that I've loved and shared with you guys on a regular basis before. So that's the other thing that I'm gonna be doing. One thing I also noticed and realized that I wasn't doing as regularly was doing my weekly soak in Jamaican black castor oil. Like I used to be like very good about doing it every week, and then I kind of fell off and I wasn't doing it like maybe every week. I was maybe doing like every other week. And so my hair was starting to like, I just wasn't seeing the shine, the flow, the bounce, the just like any of it. Oh, April is next month because I'm going to be putting my protective styles back in, and I have gotten questions about like, can you wear protective styles with a relaxer? Yes, you can. I'm going to clip my ends. you guys can sit and watch me, but I just wanted to have like a little transparency moment. I don't want you guys to think I'm delusional, I'm crazy, I don't see or like notice what's going on with my hair. I think definitely initially like you don't see it, but over time you start to be like, hey, my hair wasn't always looking like this. I'm not crazy, y'all. I see it too, and I think all right, so I tried to get you guys a good shot of the back too, so you can see. If the hair is a little lopsided, keep it to yourself, because it's not gonna hurt nobody, and also curls are gonna save us. It's not like I'm wearing my hair straight like this. I never wear my hair straight like that, so and when I go see Miss Tish, she will even it out for me. I do feel like I cut off a fair amount. And you guys saw too that I lifted my hair up. Sorry, I just have to get this hair, it's gonna annoy me. So what you guys saw me doing was like cutting, first I was like cutting the ends bluntly, but then I lifted my hair up to make sure I got any split ends that were up here too. And sorry if it was a little out of frame, because you know I'm filming for TikTok as well. I feel like I did a pretty good job on my own. Like I said, if the back is a little, just let it be. I did my best. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.